5, 6, 7, 8. It's another tequila sunrise, staring slowly across the sky. I said goodbye, and he was just a hired hand, working on the dreams he planned to try. The days go by, and every night when the sun goes down, just another lonely boy in town, and she's out running round. Wasn't just another woman, and I couldn't keep from coming home. It's been so long. Oh, and it's a hard feeling when it comes down to dealing friends. It never ends. Take another shot of courage. Wonder why the right words never come. You just get numb. It's another tequila sunrise. This old world still looks the same. Another frame.
This dance is Another Sunrise, choreographed by Jan Wiley. It's a 32 count, 2 wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, side rock, recover, left sailor, right sailor, left sailor. Section 2, rock back, recover, side chassé, rock back, recover, side chassé. Section 3, rock back, recover, triple a half turn left, rock back, recover, triple forward, left, right, left. I'm now facing 6. Last section, rock forward, recover, back, touch left next to right, bump hits, left, right, left, right. Weights on my right, I'm facing 6 and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance.